Hi guys, I'm Shein. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynn Ngomane. I share business ideas that we can all relate to as South Africans. So if you like the type of content that I create, please consider to subscribe, to hit the notification button so you'll be notified each and every time whenever I post a video. So guys, I am sorry about the noise in the background. Today it's a weekend. There's a lot of people out there who are making noise, so guys, I had to do this video because it's been a very long time since I have posted a video for you guys. So today's business idea, it is how to start, or it is to start a swimwear or sexy wear business in South Africa. So guys, you can actually buy okay, now that it's summer, there's a lot of people who are going to be swimming, and women prefer to wear sexy underwears or sexy lingeries. So guys, you can buy all these in bulk at Shein. So guys, I'm sure you are familiar with Shein. So if you are not, you can check it out on Google, or you can actually check it, download their apps, their app on app gallery and Google Play Store. So you will browse through and then you'll see what I'm talking about, like swimwears, sexy lingeries or sexy underwears. You'll find dresses there, jeans, bags, shoes. You'll find a lot of things there that you can actually buy in bulk and start selling them to make money for yourself. So guys, Shein has a lot of beautiful swimwears or beautiful lingeries that are very affordable, and I'm talking about things that you won't find on Master Price or Woolworths, Edgar's, or any other shop that you can think of here in South Africa. So they've got a lot of beautiful designs that are actually cheap. So the swimwear starts from 50 rands going up, and sexy wears or lingerie starts from 37 rands going up. So let's make an example. Let's say you spend 500 on swimwears that are worth 50 rand each. So it means that you will get 10 pairs of swimwears. So if you sell each pair for 75 rand, you will get 750. So when you subtract the original amount that you've used when you were buying the stock, which is 500 rand, you will be left with 250. That will be your profit. So guys, again, this is just an example. It will all be up to you on how you are going to price your product. So guys, Shein offers free shipping for products that are from 700 rands going up. So it means that when you spend from 700 going up, they are actually going to deliver whatever that you have bought from them for free. So you don't have to worry about courier fees and all that. So they are going to do it for you for free. So Shein has a lot of things, guys. As I mentioned, you can browse through Shein, and then I'm sure you'll find something that you will love to sell. So you can sell the sexy underwears or sexy swimwears on the internet. That will be your social media, or you can sell them on like to your friends and family, and you can also sell them on your local community. So guys, let's make money this festive season. So thank you for watching. I will see you on the next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Goodbye.